was your involvement in like shaping her career? Because I think that you have a quite a like big role.
See, making her career, shaping her career is not my. It's like her parents gave her a lot of uh, good deeds, and shaping her career means कि it is like all. तेजाब नहीं जाती तो what shape I can give her. It's not success. She gets a after Tezab she was. It's a box office of a film shapes your career. A film is not a success, though you can't shape anybody's career.
So and did she consult you on scripts before signing? Or
Yeah, we took always mutual decision how to do it, and where roles are concerned, she will choose herself. One two films sometimes we do out of courtesy and majburi करनी पड़ती तो we do it. Otherwise, she was in Parinda also. She did a very good job in a small role. She did a very good job. She was a very good actress.
and how did she connect with people whenever she met her fans? You must be there, present there.
She was always very polite and humble to her fans, and she's always very excited to meet her fans. Very excited.
And the fans must be euphoric.
Yeah, yeah. She's always very happy because she fan एक चीज़ ही ऐसी है ना when you meet your fans, that moment they are total everybody is blank. They are totally focused on your artist. She loves that moment always.
Like there's some people who like pray all their lives to become a celebrity, and after they become one, they run away from their fans. There are people who hide under dark glasses and wear a beard and perhaps go somewhere.
I don't think there is any artist who runs away from his fan. I don't think so. All artists love their fans.
Wasn't the media attention, publicity, and fan following too much for her to handle at a point of time?
Sometimes she has run for shooting, and some people wants to meet her. Sometimes she's getting late, then she can't delay her shoot, or she can't harm her producer in the course of the time at the cost of the fans. That maybe sometimes has happened unintentionally. I don't know.
What do you think about her future? What will she be doing? Will she be coming back to films?
She will not. ऐसा नहीं कि she won't come back. She will definitely come back if she did a film with the Yashji, Yash Films, and in the same way she get another. She will do one picture, maybe one two picture, not immediately, but maybe after some time.
And how was her equation with Yashji?
Yashji is kind of director के she is artist director. तो यशजी से तो uncomfortable होने की बात ही नहीं है because she had done already one picture with दिल तो पागल है with her, and she knew him Yashji since she's born. So she has seen Yashji's films and all, and she is always his fan, Yashji's fan. और Yashji का fan कौन नहीं है?
सही बात है.
And doing a film with Yashji and Adi together, total उनका तो it's a great experience with her.
And not being from a filmy family,
Yeah.
Madhuri came into this world, as it is normally called, the big bad world of Bollywood.
Yeah.
And the way she handled herself, was she ever? Did she ever think that she's a misfit out here? Because she was a very simple girl, and film industry is full of flamboyance and showing off, you know. So, did that ever happen to her?
No, she was never affected.
This thing never.
She never affected her. She is always been very simple and original.
Was she a party person?
Nothing can affect her.
Did she social?
Party person never. She used to go with me to some party, some film जहाँ जाना है, तो जाते ही पूछते थे, we need leave when how many minutes? She used to question me, how many time we leave? 20 minutes. She used to count 20 minutes without watch. Let's go now. मैं रिको अभी वो काम तो हुआ नहीं, इसको मिलना हो तो आया नहीं, तो that way she was very helpful, cooperative.
Does this suggest that she at times acted like an introvert, or she was an introvert in a way, because she didn't like mingling with people she doesn't know?
No, she's always very mingling with people in a very natural level, and she is always very thoughtful when she's meeting new people, and she's always try to keep quiet and observe more. Like that.
What is the thing that you miss the most about her now? She's left and raising a family and
I missed about everything, and who is not missing her? Everybody is missing her. Working with her so many years, so of course we miss her.
And what do you wish for her in the future? I mean,
I wish all the best for her in life because ऐसे इंसान दुनिया में बहुत कम आते हैं. We have very few people about like she is the way she is, and we wish her all the best in life.
do you think that she'll be in the near future? Does she have any plans to do a film, or she's just waiting for a script? Or
Of course, she has to do a. She will do a film again, but at the moment she is settling her kids for school and all. March से पर स्कूल जाने वाले हैं बच्चे लोग उनके, and she has to organize their future now because she can work anytime when she likes to work.
and as a mother, as a wife,
There are a lot of people here in the industry, top people, they say whenever she wants to work, we work with her, we make a film for her.
and what do you think about her films like Dil? You and her perhaps watched the film together at a premiere. I guess.
Yeah. No, it's not a premiere. We watched this film in some theatre called Pinky Theatre में गए थे हम लोग. Pinky था theatre वो इधर विलेपाले में. We had gone and she had मैंने बोला you want to see the movie then take burqa on because burqa पहन के चलते हैं because you will be recognized and I can't handle you alone. Your parents are with me and you will be handling difficult public में ना. She wore a burqa and burqa पहन के बैठ गई theatre में देखा हमने. And she was removing her burqa again and again to see who recognizes me and what the reaction is. मैं कहता पहनने का फायदा क्या हुआ है? What I have wearing burqa, you know. So she was very तरह खुशी, excited, lot of applause coming from the public, and she was very thrilled and happy.
And there's still this kid in her.
Yeah, she is basically a kid, still kid.
And talking about that experience while you had watching Dil, did anybody recognize her?
Oh yes. By the time we came out of the theatre, the whole theatre was empty after her. Film चल रही थी, film was running and nobody was watching the film.
So how did
We had to leave theatre.
so you guys went away.
We have to leave the theatre.
And how were the reactions? I
We
mean,
couldn't see. Once we went to Chandan Cinema Zoo में in the burqa. वहाँ भी ऐसे ही हुआ. We had to run from the theatre.
and if I say that you and her are watching the film together, and then there are loads of people out there. People used to comment a lot on everything. So, what kind of comments was she hearing at that point of time?
Yeah, different comments. The comments was like the film, ना. She was comments तो theatre में सब तरह के आते हैं. उसमें तो you can't feel bad because it's all masses की भी comments and appreciation भी है उसमें प्यार भी है उसमें सब है.
And talking about her co-actors, through these years, who according to you are her favorite co-actors? And why?
I think she liked working with. She started off with Anil Mithun. Then she worked with Jackie Shroff. She working actually मेरे से कभी she never discussed with me कि what co-star she likes, what she doesn't like. She never. But with me, I think she was happy with all the co-stars, Salman and Shah Rukh, and she was happy with every star. Ajay, she would never discuss with me anything. Akshay Kumar, Akshay Khanna. I think with everybody she was happy. She never complained me about anybody. Yeah, she never used to complain about anybody. कि I'm not happy with the co-star, मुझे पिक्चर नहीं करना ऐसा तो उसने कभी कहा ही नहीं मेरे को.
And if
She was very close to Rishi Kapoor also. She did 3 films with Rishi Kapoor. Prem Granth, Yarana and 2 films. 1 more picture.
she did 2 films,
Huh?
2 films,
Yeah, 2 films.
perhaps. And
2 films.
Rakesh, every person, including me, including you, all of us have their own qualities and their own demerits, you know. So, what do you think are the positive points of Madhuri, and what do you think are negative points that she had? Whatever.
Positive points, she has all the positive points in the world, what is called positive. Negative point, only I didn't something when she is not liking doing something, but she do it. At the cost of her health maybe. If there comes something here, she's not happy, she's not well and she wants to avoid shooting, but she will never say. Even she's not well, she go for the shooting.
And that means
That way she is very, sometimes she harms herself because she is so committed person.
She's a workaholic, right?
Yeah, she is workaholic, she is very committed, and that's why sometimes when she falls sick, she falls very badly because she keep on working till that she is not falls down. She keep on working. ऐसा है उसका. She should always be conscious about when she is feeling something bad. She can always avoid shooting, but she will not avoid shooting. She keep on shooting. The time she is dead, she will not. Now she can't, shoot in any way. Then she goes for 7 or 8 days off. That is the thing. She is always. You can't say it's negative, but she is which is I don't like about this.
What do you think about her as a wife, as a mother, as a woman, as a daughter, as a friend, as an actor? What do you think?
That you have to ask as a daughter to her parents, as a wife to her husband. How can I answer all these questions to you?
I mean, you've observed her so much. You've been with her. That's why. I mean,
She is. I think she classified her in all the relations very well, and she is doing fine as mother, as husband, doing very well. She always maintaining. She may have cut down her assignments maybe because of a lot of work. ऐसा नहीं हुआ कभी कि she was without work. She was never without work. Before Tezab also, she was never without work. She had 7 films on floor. Before Tezab also, she was always with work. She was never without work.
thank you so much, sir, for talking to us.
Try your mind.
Wish all the best to you and Madhuri as well for the same thing. Thank you so much. God bless.